I have warrants. You can't take me. The state of Massachusetts can't know I'm here. Okay, your 5 followers on Instagram don't give a shit. Is this the new generation? Is this what you made?
Yeah, that's what we made.
It's your fault, guys.
I know.
This came out of you.
I know. I want sewer water.
Sewer water. Really? You don't want to drink? I see her. Siri. Sure.
I would just like water.
I can spike water.
I don't know.
Mom, what do you want to drink?
I'm gonna have the bad hombre. The margarita.
That noise right now. That's what's going on here.
She's trapped. Mom.
That noise.
Margarita.
All right, fine.
Mom, don't worry. She's trying not to smile.
With the mug with the handle on it.
What? What?
You know, with the handle on it.
Yeah, dumbass, it comes in that. God, this family's so stupid.
You may.
I really hope you guys can read the menu. I don't think I can handle you through everything.
You want nachos for an appetizer?
No.
Oh my God, stop taping me. You're future paparazzi over here. It's not newsworthy.
So, please get that camera on my face.
I actually don't have to. Can you just let them do their shopping and leave them alone? Yes, ma'am.
Attention service desk 2.
He's not letting me do my job.
0.
Shoot, there he is.
Yeah, because you keep following these teenagers around this store. Yo, he's following some teenagers around the store when he doesn't need to be. They're not doing anything.
I get paid to do this.
Dan, can you come to Christmas service with me, Dan? Can you come to Christmas service?
It's really messed up to be doing that.
For you?
Don't worry. I call it stuff right there. Thanks.
It's not cool to follow young people around the store just because you suspect they're going to do something. I work with those kids at Rainier Beach High School, and it's not okay.
Attention service desk 2. 0.
Yo, y'all are straight up criminalizing these young people, having the security guard just follow them to the store when they haven't done anything. They're literally just walking, and I watched him follow them. I walked for multiple aisles and watched him follow them through the store. That's not cool. It's not okay.
Well, I apologize about that. So just the one security. We have a couple here today. One for the bank.
The one I was just talking to, it was incredibly obvious he was following them. And as someone who works with young people in this neighborhood, as a black community member, I'm incredibly frustrated to see that happening. Like, where can our young people go if they can't go to their neighborhood grocery store to buy things?
Right.
Nikita.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, dear. I remember you from Dr. Mims.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I apologize. I don't, that's not the intention to make anybody feel like that. So I do apologize about that. I mean, if you want, I can give you the company that he works for. He doesn't work for Safeway, so I can give you the company that he works for. If you...
Yeah, I would love that.
Okay, gotcha.
But y'all employ them, yeah?
What's that? We Safeway has a contract. Yes.
Okay.
Tell me I have a right to remain silent. No, you're gonna tell me. No! You are going to tell me that I am under arrest. Stop it!
You're under arrest.
For what? I didn't even do anything. No! You're touching me. Oh! Stop it! No! Quit it! No!
Stop resisting.
No, I'm not resisting. You guys are doing this for no reason.
Behind your back.
No, I'm not leaving. I am going. You're not doing this shit to me.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. I don't know. I have a fight to I want to know under what code in violation of the law did I break? I want you to tell me why I'm being arrested. What did I do? What did I do? No, you're going to tell me what I did.
We'll contact Phoenix and they will yes. Where is your final destination?
I didn't even do anything except purchase a ticket.
They'll know, yeah, they'll know what's going on.
No,
the pilot will.
I'm not leaving here with my personal belongings.
No problem. 3A and 6.
No, I want a lawyer right now. I want a lawyer. Oh, you're breaking my arm.
I'm not trying to break no.
Yes, you are. He is twisting my wrist. Yes, you are. You son of a gun.
Stand up.
Stop
now.
it. No, I'm not getting off. I didn't do anything.
Walk outside. I'm gonna walk you out. Come on.
No, I'm not leaving with my personal belongings. This aircraft has my personal belongings. I paid for a ticket to ride this airplane, and I'm going home. I'm not leaving. And you're going to tell me why I'm under arrest.
I already told you.
Oh, what is it? For trespassing? I bought a ticket. How am I trespassing?
All right, what are we doing?
I'm gonna find out when they come back.
Because I've been trying to find this out since 4:30. I've been not even by the store. I even sent one of the shopping cart guys in there because I didn't want to come over here, and still. Yeah, you see this? This is what they do to black people. You see this dude here? This dude here trying to start more trouble. This dude here trying to start more trouble.
Wait over there, please.
That's what this dude trying to do. Yeah, I'm not going through all this no more, man. I'm not going through this no more. Hey, see, your officer, I'm not, listen, whatever he talking, I'm not going through this no more, so I'm going to leave, and I'm going to try to get my money a different way. Because I shouldn't be standing here respectfully just because I said don't raise your voice at me. She jumps in my face. It's not cool, man, that I'm still standing here.
I think we're trying to work this out.
I don't even want to.
If you want to show some patience and work this
out.
I
want to try to do this a different way, the ACLU or a different way or whatever, man. Because
all right, here's a copy for you.
All right.
Do not come back on the Walmart property or you'll be arrested. You understand that?
Yep.
You do understand, correct?
Yep.
All right.
And what Walmart property is this?
All Walmart properties and Sam's Club, as the lady told you.
Yeah, and why is that?
Because they don't want you on the property.
Who don't want me on the property?
Walmart does not want
the lady right there that I told not to jump in my face. So how about my products though? Because she still haven't given my products.
Let's talk about the products.
She still haven't given my she still haven't given my purchases.
Did your card go through or was it denied?
No, it went through.
They're telling me it didn't.
What you talking? I got the receipts. That's the problem. It was there. Machine was not working. And since the
I do nothing to you. 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 I do nothing to you.